So today what I'd like to prepare for you is Lomo al Trapo. It's an Argentinian dish that I came across many years ago. It's very simply using a lovely piece of beef fillet like this. I got this from my local butcher. What you're going to do is get a bowl, you're going to pour some red wine in, and you put in about half a bottle, and then you get a tea towel, ideally 100% cotton or a shirt or a piece of cotton, and you put it in there and you just allow that to soak for a minute or two. Get a good handful of rock salt and you literally just spread it over the cloth. This will give you lovely seasoning. And I'm also going to be adding in some Thai basil. This is just for extra flavor. And then what you do is you get your piece of beef, you place it in the center, and you're going to wrap this up like it was Christmas all over again. And now we're just going to put it straight onto the charcoal. And we're going to leave it to cook for approximately 20 minutes or until it reaches an internal temperature of 52 degrees. Here I'm using the Quan Garden Grill, which is an open barbecue with plancha, but this is a recipe that can be used on practically any grill, gas or charcoal. So to accompany the Lomo al Trapo, we're going to do a very basic Argentinian salsa. So that's going to be using lots of fresh parsley, some beautiful flavors, some jalapenos, some spring onions, and just to give it a bit of extra zing and flavor, some limes and some lemons with a good glug of olive oil. So very carefully, once you've reached temperature, just reach in, shake off any excess charcoal and put straight onto your board. And we're now going to leave that there just to rest like you would a normal piece of beef for a good 5–10 minutes. Now it's time to unwrap it and you have one beautifully cooked fillet. What we're going to do is just return it back to the heat with some flames and just give it a little extra loving. And what we've got is a lovely little copper pot, some French brandy, and we're just going to gently pour that over, flambeing it nicely. Now it's just a question of carving it, drizzling with the chimichurri and serving. Ideally for me, we're looking at a medium rare, so it should have a nice bark on the outside, a bit of crunch to it from the caramelization from the searing. Inside should be nice and pink, full of flavor, tenderness. And the final step is that chimichurri, the salsa we made earlier. And there you have one Lomo al Trapo done to perfection. Very easy, something you can really impress your friends with and something you can really, really enjoy.
Yeah. It's amazing.